Cyberpunk 2077 is making the jump to Macs. According to Apple's announcement video for the new M4-equipped MacBook Pros, CD Projekt Red's sci-fi RPG will be available on Macs early next year. CD Projekt says in an announcement, taking full advantage of Apple's silicone and advanced technologies of metal, the world of the dark future is available to Mac gamers for the very first time. Players can enjoy advanced features like path tracing, frame generation, and built-in spatial audio for even more immersive gameplay and stunning visuals. The game will be available on the Mac App Store and Steam when it launches next year. The version launching on Mac is the Ultimate Edition, which includes the very good Phantom Liberty expansion, and CD Projekt Red says that existing PC Steam purchases of the game will carry over to the Mac. You'll need to have a Mac with Apple silicone to play it, though CD Projekt Red spokesperson Joao de Mello declined to comment on if the game will run on Macs with M1 chips. Cyberpunk 2077 first launched in 2020, and while it had an infamously rocky release, the game is in great shape now.